Time to clean up the flower beds on a beautiful sunny day in a backyard that faces south, so the sun is really nice and pleasant. But I wanted to show you, here is my madder root, and I'm tempted to cut all this down, but we are supposed to get another what do I want to say? We're supposed to be getting more colder weather, so I don't think I'm gonna cut these back, or cut these off, I should say. But look under here. So madder root takes about 2 to 3 years to form, like for the roots to form, so you can dye them. But yeah, there they are under there. There's all of the new growth. Exciting.